Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Blue Apron account and stop receiving meal kit deliveries, follow these simple steps to close your account. Step 1. Open the Blue Apron app or visit blueapron.com in your web browser. Sign in to your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Before deleting your account, you must first cancel your subscription. Navigate to account settings and look for plan or subscription options. Step 3. Click on Cancel Plan or Pause Subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel your recurring deliveries. Blue Apron may offer you alternatives like pausing or skipping weeks, but proceed with cancellation. Step 4. After canceling your subscription, return to account settings and look for privacy settings, account management, or delete account options. Step 5. If you find a delete account or close account button, click on it. Blue Apron will ask you to confirm your decision. Step 6. If there's no direct account deletion option, contact Blue Apron customer service via phone, email, or live chat. Request permanent account deletion and provide your account information for verification. Step 7. Confirm your deletion request with the customer service representative. Blue Apron will process your request within several business days and send you a confirmation email. Remember that account deletion is permanent, and you'll lose access to saved recipes, preferences, and order history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.